On 5 Live, let me take you straight to Maharashtra where there's a big political showdown, and this showdown is over that cruel Mughal king Aurangzeb. Samajwadi Party leader Abu Azmi has hailed Aurangzeb. Samajwadi Party leader Abu Azmi says Aurangzeb built many temples and claims there is evidence to the effect that Aurangzeb was not a cruel king. On the other hand, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has hit back at Abu Azmi. He says Abu Azmi must be tried for treason for hailing Aurangzeb. The Deputy Chief Minister says entire Maharashtra and the country knows how it was under Aurangzeb's instructions that Chhatrapati Shambhaji Maharaj was tortured for over 40 days for not accepting Islam. His eyes were gouged out. He was ill-treated. Limb after limb was chopped off before Chhatrapati Shambhaji Maharaj was beheaded, before he was killed by Aurangzeb. And Abu Azmi is praising the same Aurangzeb responsible for the killing of Chhatrapati Shambhaji Maharaj. The Deputy Chief Minister says either there should be an apology from Abu Azmi immediately or a case of treason must be filed against him. Listen in to what Abu Azmi said. Listen in to what Eknath Shinde said. I'll get you more on that story.
सब गलत हिस्ट्री दिखाई जा रही है। औरंगजेब रहमतुल्लाह अलैह ने बहुत सारी मंदिरें बनवाई हैं और आप बनारस में जाकर देखेंगे एक बच्ची, पंडित की बच्ची को जब उनका ही एक सिपाही सालार उसके साथ शादी करना चाहता था, उन्होंने उस सिपाही सालार को 2 हाथियों के बीच पैर बांध कर मार दिया और उन पंडितों ने उनके लिए एक मस्जिद बना के दिया वहाँ पर। क्या बात करते हैं, गलत हिस्ट्री।
तो आप औरंगजेब को क्रूर शासक नहीं मानते हैं?
नहीं, मैं नहीं मानता।
औरंगजेब क्रूर शासक नहीं?
बिल्कुल नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल क्रूर शासक नहीं मानता।
उनका बयान बहुत ही गलत है और निंदाजनक है। जो औरंगजेब ने छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज को 40 दिन इनका हलाल किया है, अत्याचार किया है, उनके नाखून निकाले, आंख निकाले, चमड़ी उधेड़ दी, जीभ जबान काट दी, ऐसे औरंगजेब को अच्छा कहना ये तो महापाप है। और इसलिए ये अबू आजमी इन्होंने माफी मांगनी चाहिए। ये राष्ट्र पुरुषों का अपमान है, इसलिए उनके ऊपर देशद्रोह का गुना दाखिल करना चाहिए।
So very clearly for Abu Azmi, and this controversy started after that motion picture Chhawa. Even Prime Minister Narendra Modi praised that movie. He spoke of how the film industry had played a critical role. The new generation is learning so much about our history, about our culture, about our fighters. Spoke of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the founder of the Hindvi Swaraj. Spoke of Chhatrapati Shambhaji Maharaj, or Chhawa, or a lion cub as he was known. Abu Azmi says this is not history. The films are not telling our people the right thing. He says that Aurangzeb was neither cruel nor did he have a role in the demolition of temples. However, there is evidence. There is evidence, literary evidence and evidence from the Mughal court itself. The Mughal court had documented how Aurangzeb had ordered that the temple at Kashi Vishwanath or the Sri Krishna Janmabhoomi temple at Mathura should be demolished. This is Mughal history. But Abu Azmi is denying it. But I want to bring in Abhijit Karande for more on the story. Abhijit, how did this suddenly escalate? Why is Abu Azmi defending Aurangzeb? What prompted this?
Gaurav, this thing started from the Madhi Yatra, which is situated at Ahilyanagar district, which is old name is Ahmednagar. And yes, BJP's leader and the Yatra committee decided that no any Muslim businessman will be allowed into the Yatra. After that proposal from the villagers and the other people, Yatra committee, government officials completely scrapped that proposal and allowed Muslims community to do a business, regular business. After that, Nitesh Rane, who is a minister from Maharashtra cabinet, went there and he took one meeting there and he said that we will not tolerate the people who are adoring Aurangzeb or the people who are projecting Aurangzeb as their hero.
Yes.
To responding Nitesh Rane, then Aurangzeb came into the, then Abu Azmi came into the picture and said that Aurangzeb was not against the Hindus, Aurangzeb was not the cruel ruler, or he have not demolished any temples in history. But as we know that, and one more thing, he said that Aurangzeb, that battle between Aurangzeb and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj or Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj was not between the religious leaders, but the battle between the two kings for the territory. So he was defending Aurangzeb, his ruling, his acts also, and after that Shiv Sena, UBT, Shiv Sena, Shinde faction and BJP also aggressively coming into the picture and asking to take action against the Abu Azmi also.